Hi guys, hello. This is like the third time I've tried making this. Okay, so we're going to use my program called DVD Shrink. Oh, this is how we convert cyberamic shows. So we are going to open our disk file. You can use a disk image, whatever. We're just going to use this one right here. We're going to go to Reauthor. We're going to select whatever title we want. You're going to add it. You trim it down by setting your start and end frame. We'll just do segment 1. See right here, ball crawl / hand jive. Try and get it as close as possible. I like to line it up to where the black frames are, kind of like that. If you want to add another segment that you're converting, you're just going to do it again, trim it down the same way, and keep going till you have all your segments here. There's my segments. We are going to go to backup. This is going to back up our segments to a folder. You're going to name the folder whatever show tape you're converting. So this one is July 93, but I'm just going to call this ball crawl. Ball crawl. Enter. Ball crawl. There you go, guys. Ball crawl. We're done. Just kidding. There we go. We are all backed up and we can close this out. We don't need it anymore once you have your tape converted to files. Now, right here, we are going to send our tape through our converter. So you would add it and then you're going to send it through the converter. You're going to convert it to WAV, not MP4. So you're going to use VOB to WAV. And you're going to convert it just like that. Don't mess with any of the options. Make sure it's uncompressed, all of that. VOB to WAV. Once you get that converted, I've already done that, so we don't have to wait through that. You're going to go into your Audacity. We are going to open our file. Let me find it on here. Ball crawl hand jive. There we go. We have our file all loaded up. So I don't confuse us, I'm going to close out this other one I have opened. Ball crawl hand jive. There we go. We are going to split our track. Just like that. I'm going to go here and I'm going to center the audio for our audio track. You can tell the audio track because it has a lot of squiggles, and our signal track is going to be very unchanged compared to this one. Now, when it comes to these older tape conversions and some of the newer tapes, the volume is going to be much lower on them. So I like to increase the volume by 10 if you can tell it's pretty low. Just increase it until it sounds good. Now, we are going to mute our audio track so we have our signal track. You can see our signal track is right here. We are going to export our signal track, ball crawl, hand jive, signal track, just like that. We're going to do mono, and I automatically click 96,000 for the signal track. See right here? For demonstration purposes, I'm going to save it to that same folder we were using, ball crawl. Signal track. Make sure mono, 96,000, entire project, 16-bit, WAV file. Export. There we go. We don't need our signal track anymore. We can unmute our audio track. We're going to export our audio track. This one is going to be our stereo file, audio track. Just like that. We're going to bring our hertz down to 48,000. That's what's recommended on the program Blue. Make sure it's a WAV file and export. Oh shoot, I didn't see where that exported. I hope it exported to the folder. No big deal. We're going to go to our program Blue. We are going to go to File. We are going to do Import by Phase Code right here. This is our show decoder. We're going to go to File 1. This is going to be our audio file. We're going to go to our desktop because that's where we saved it to. We are going to do our ball crawl folder. And we can see right here, we've got our audio labeled and our signals labeled. So we're going to do our audio. Track 3 is going to be signal. Track 4 is not going to be used for Cyberamic shows to my knowledge. I believe that's for Rock-afire shows because Rock-afire shows have 2 sets of signals. Now, you have to know what your show is formatted to. This one is kind of weird because this show is for a PTT balcony stage. That's just the way it's programmed. So we would select PTT balcony. Most shows, 93 or after, are going to be CEC 2 stage. Most shows, some in 93, but anything before 93 is going to be PTT balcony. So I'm going to select balcony. We're going to press import show. It's going to automatically decode it. It only takes a minute to do it, honestly. It's real fast. The hardest part is going to be converting it from VOB to WAV. You can download a program if you want it to do it faster. The process is uploading it. So however fast your internet speed is, that's how fast it takes to convert. But a program installed on your computer would definitely speed it up. We are almost done, 95%. And we are done. It's going to save us a log. We can go ahead and press X on this. We're going to name our show Ball Crawl Demonstration. Why not? Demonstration. Buh. Show programmer. Donovan. Not really Donovan. Everyone loves putting Donovan Marcel on there. It's funny. All right, channel names. So, this is a little tricky for some people. If it is formatted to CNR, it is always going to be PTT balcony. That's how the formatting is going to work. If it's formatted towards R12, it's going to be CEC 2 stage. You would have to look at a Rosetta and make sure things line up on the show if you're not completely sure. We have evidence of CNR programming on shows as late as, I've seen personally up to 96. Anyways, so this is a PTT one. So we're going to select PTT. But if the lights do not line up correctly and you're questioning yourself, try it on the other channel name formatting, and it might be because of that. So ball crawl demonstration, we're going to press save on our show file. We're going to make sure our data is correct by, who sings a lot on here? Jasper. So you'll click his mouth, go all the way down to his eyes left, hold shift, click it, select. We're not programming it, so I'm just going to hit 1 a bunch of times. We can see all our data is here, and we're going to make sure it flashes correctly with his singing. And now you've successfully converted your show. Funny tubes to wiggle through to the ball crawl. The ball crawl. The ball crawl. All right, well, I hope that helped you guys out. If you have any questions, let me know. That is how you convert Chuck E. Cheese show tapes to program blue. Woo!